So hello everyone, I hope everyone doing great and fine. So in this today's video we will be discussing about the paper pattern. So video may be long, but I would like to give few important points about online examination and paper pattern. So now let's start. Before starting, I would like to give a few answers that are asked by you on the Instagram me personally. So first is this paper pattern is good? So that is the question which I don't want to give as of now answer. At the end of the video I will try to give answer on that question. Second is, shall I skip any chapter? So as of now you are not supposed to skip any chapter, because whatever thing which we cannot be asked in the big sums, it can be asked in the MCQ, because we are having approx 40 marker MCQs. So you are not supposed to skip anything which is at least which is given in the module. So you have to do a module by 100%. So that is the first point I would like to clarify, because we don't know which sums can be asked in the 10 marker 12 marker sums, which theory it will be asked in the MCQ, whether it will be a short sum or it will be a theoretical question. It can be a mixture of both. So we are not supposed to skip any chapters. So do everything at least that is given in the module. Second question is, the questions will be logical. So definitely and 100% the questions will be logical. So you have to understand first concept, what is given in the sums, what is given in the that theory. Everything you have to understand, and whether without that you will not be able to give answers of the theoretical question at least. So try to be as much as logical, so that you can at least secure a good marks in the section A and B, that is the MCQ part. So now let's start with the other other paper patterns. So first I have chosen here is direct text, because it is my favorite subject. So now let's start with that. First is, it is paper number 7, time allowed 3 hours, 100 marks per paper. There are A, B, C and D to be answered subject to the instruction given against each. The time allotted for section A and B shall be limited to maximum 50 minutes. So it is, I think, MCQ questions, that is of 20 marks, and one liner questions, that is of 20 marks. So 40 marks you have to for the 40 marks time allotted is 50 minutes. So try to complete as soon as possible, because you will require more time in the solving of other sums, that is 10 marker sums. So try to at least try to finish all the questions in the 40 to 45 minutes, so that you can save your time as much as possible. So be careful about each and everything. First read each and every instruction that is given in the paper, otherwise you may miss something, because sometimes what happens is there are options in the question, and if you are not reading that instruction, then there might be a duplication of answers. So try to read each and every instruction that is given in the paper. You are required to answer all the questions. So that 40 marker questions are compulsory. Each question carries 1 mark instruction. Each question is followed by 4 marks choices. Only one is correct. You are required to select the choice which according to you represent the correct answer. So that is normal question we can expect for expecting in the offline examination as well, because that is the 1 marker question, and all the questions will be logical. Some sort of like what we can expect in offline examination, that questions will be given in the online examination as well. So try to be a logical while solving all the MCQ part. The number of identities included in the definition of person, so that might be 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever the answer you have to select here. And after that, you whenever you are going for the online examination, there you can definitely get to know how to click and all the things. You will get to know the basic exemption limit for resident super senior citizen. The above age 80 is I think 5 lakhs. So you have to just click here whether it is 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs, whatever it is. When Mr. B paid royalty. So that is only basic question, and definitely there will be a basic questions only for part A at least. So try to do a basic concept like theory, like in operations OMSM. What you can do is the initial 3 chapters you can do by reading each and every theory, so that at least you can secure a good marks in OMSM. In the strategic management you will be getting more marks, because there will be a MCQ and MC. If you have already read all the things in the theory, then definitely whenever you are showing the options, that 4 options, you will get an idea that that answer is correct. So you have to read at least theory portion for that 14 marks. So that is how part A will be there. that is there are 20 question, and you have to definitely you will get more marks in that. After that, the part B will be section B will be started. You are required to answer all the questions. Each question is carries 1 mark. So questions may be like a mixture of everything, like it may be a true or false, whether statement is true or false. 1 marker, fill in the blank. 1 marker, you have to write your answer as well. So everything can be possible. These 20 questions also will be logical, like 1 marker practical sums will be there. So definitely you have to look into small concept as well. So that is the second point I would like to clarify. So these are the 20 marker 20 marks question for part B. And after that, part C will start. You are required to answer any 4 questions out of 6. So I think paper pattern is same for each and every paper, like for intermediate and final as well. So we are not supposed to analyze each and everything. You are required to answer any 4 out of 6 question in this section instruction. Each question is carry followed by space where you are required to type your answers. So each question is of 10 marks, and you have to give answers of only 4 questions, not on 6. So read each and every instruction carefully. So here, state whether the following transaction attract tax liability, that is TDS provision, and the rate of tax and the amount of tax deductible in applicable cases. So like you will be getting the space where you have to type your answers. So predetermined format will be there, and you have to type your answer. So that is an basic concept of online examination. You have to type your answer, and there will be no difficulty, because institute will draft a paper pattern in a sense, so that you will be completing all the things in the 3 hours for sure. So you are not required to worry that we will be not completing all the questions in 3 hours. So definitely you will be completing all the things in 3 hours. And one more point is, try to be confident, because ultimately that will be matter. Because even if we don't know the answers of that questions, like for example, I don't know the answer of that question, but whenever I am reading the question here, definitely, if you have already read all the things, then I will get the idea that could be the possible answer, and you have to type that if you don't know the answer. And there are, in practical sums, you will be getting predetermined format. So there will be if there is a predetermined format, then try to you will get the idea about the answer. So definitely you will be able to put your answers as well. And third point is, many people are saying that there is a predetermined format that we have to in that we have to write our answers, and we are taking outside the coaching, and they are using the different format. So that could be then in that case there may be a conflict. So what you have to do is, at least try to do module once of each and every subject, so that you will be get to know about what is the paper pattern, what is the format of that answer. The format of answer is more matters. So definitely you have to look into module, even though you are doing outside classes. So there will be no issue, but at least try to go through with what is the format of that answer. So that is the also important point you have to take care of. Next important point is, there is, here you can check, there is a predetermined formula. So if you are watching that, like simulated value for demand for next to 10 weeks, and here the format is given, then definitely you will get the idea that could be the answers. So it will be easy for you to crack the question and give your answer. So that's it from my side. If you have any question, you can comment down, and if you can ask me on the Instagram, link is given in the description box. So you can definitely ask me. So thank you everyone, take care, and all the